Welcome, I'm Scotch Dragon, and this is my sixth part to Ratchet and Clank.
Attention residents of Blackwater City. As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small outbreak of amoeboids. Our security teams are working hard to rid the city of these creatures, but first, they have to wake up, get washed, brush their teeth, drive over here. I mean, really, it's a whole process. So until they arrive, the race is postponed. Please stay inside your homes while we manage the crisis. Thank you.
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMarx hoverboard I want to try out.
Mr. Zircon is here.
What's down here?
Mr. Zircon gives you a concerto of suffering. Ha ha ha! Mr. Zircon has you now. Do you remember Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is bored. Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy.
I believe we should run now.
Mr. Zircon will punch you in the face with bullets. No one warned you about Mr. Zircon? Hello, aliens.
The water is rising.
Mr. Zurkon has returned with a vengeance.
Oh dear. The water is rising.
That was close.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill.
This place looks like bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Got enough bolts for the Groovatron. Come see me.
Mr. Zurkon is born.
We should talk to that fellow, see if he has anything to open this lock.
Hey, pal. You got any of them Rhino holo cards?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of holo cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these holo cards, and thus the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the holo cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
The trespasser can short-circuit powered locks. Rotate selected control ring to point laser. Detected port powered. Proceed to net power remaining port with remaining laser.
Mr. Zurkon does not require bolts. His currency is pain.
Hey, you got one. You keep looking for more. Travel to other planets and stuff. Holo cards are everywhere.
Mr. Zurkon is born.
finally have enough bolts for the Groovatron. Come see me.
Let's enter that hoverboard race.
Hey, why don't you upgrade the proton drum? You won't regret it. Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. That's how you make a great weapon even better! Get your groove on with your Groovatron! Yeah, it's my charm and personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
Contain and exterminate all unauthorized organisms. Organism detected. Exterminate.
Mr. Zurkon. Nice!
Mr. Zurkon is born. Death is too stupid for Mr. Zurkon. Hello, stinky aliens. These are the Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zurkon's time with crates. You locate and exterminate. These are the moments Mr. Zurkon lives for. You run, Mr. Zurkon. Zircon has returned. You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon?
Attention residents of Blackwater City. In lieu of a security team, we've released a whole mess of extermabots into the city. We've also dispatched a few automated tanks, just to speed things along. The onboard AI doesn't let them distinguish between trespassers and locals, so it's probably best to stay indoors.
That's how it's done.
Mr. Zircon will punch you in the face with bullets.
Got it! Talk about heavy artillery.
Mr. Zircon lives for.
Oh boy, out of ammo. I doubt that's the last of them.
Vermin sighted. Exterminate.
Nice!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Life form detected. Exterminate.
Zircon lives for.
Oh dear. More of them.
Do you remember Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is born. You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon intends to rectify this.
Nice!
All Extermbots report to containment center. All Extermbots to the containment center. Bags identified.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Have you been to Mr. Zircon yet? Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you. One little dead little aliens, 4 little 5 little dead little aliens. Death is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. You are the disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure. One little 2 little dead little aliens, 4 little 5 little dead little aliens.
It's unlawfully deactivated.
You know what war you are, Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon,
Enemy down!
fire walks. His currency is pain. Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon.
Oh, great. More of them.
It was at this moment our hero found out he was completely hosed.
Looks like we got all of them. Hopefully now they put the race back on.
It looks like the city is now Amoeboid-free. And we have two citizens to thank, Ratchet and Clank. The race is back on, so stay tuned for updates.
Whoa! The Blackwater City hoverboard track. I've only seen it on my holo screen back on Veldin.
Hey, I'm Starlene. Are you here for the race?
You know it.
Enthusiasm. I like it. All right, head inside. The first race starts in a few minutes. Plateau. This is his first time on Rilgar, so let's give him a warm welcome. Wow, gnarly!
Boost meter filled. Ratchet activated the hoverboard nitrous system. Track's boost pads offered a tactical advantage to any racer who passed through. Activating just one would put the hoverboard's propulsion system on overdrive.
And Ratchet hits the boost pad. This race is brought to you in part by Megacorp, makers of this year's most anticipated toy, the Protopet. Pre-order yours today.
Lombax's lack of hoverboard experience sent him careening off the track. Thankfully, the track's teleport system would bring him back to the action.
And Ratchet shows us a boost of speed. Nice work. You're the first Lombax to ever win a race. Come back anytime. They're always giving away cool prizes here. Perks to being sponsored by Gadgetron. him a boost. Sorry. What a trick! Are we looking at the next Skid McMarks here? Fans will be happy to hear that we just received word from Skid McMarks' reps. Pro hoverboarder suffered a minor injury while breaking ground at one of his sports shacks, but is expected to make a full recovery. Whoa! Ratchet charges ahead! And Ratchet hits the boost pad! Wow, that was awesome. Enjoy your prize. You earned it.
Yes, we qualified for the Gold Cup. So tempting.
Get ready, racers. On your mark. Get set. Go! And they're off. Just a little background on some of our racers today. Chris Blastek is riding a modified Orion S12. Newcomer Victor Equinox is riding a Vortex 2000. And Chester St. Cloud is riding a Romulus Turbo 4. That's a costly error. Ratchet blast forward at incredible speed. This could get dangerous. Just a reminder that viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you, and please put your shirt back on. What a trick! Are we looking at the next Skid McMarks here? And Ratchet shows us a boost of speed. And Ratchet's off course. Whoops, that looked like it hurt. Wow! Holy wowzers, you're like amazing! You should think about going pro.
We should head back to the ship.
Cybertron. Makes it groovier, You got a deal. Take your time. No, really. Wicked. Now you're almost too powerful. Have fun with your new Pixelizer.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more in the next episode.